So now that you've seen how to factor a greatest common factor, we're going to look at something these are factoring shortcuts we're going to look at. They're called special factors. The first one we're going to take a look at is the difference of two squares. And this has got a general form and it'll always be true. If you have a squared minus b squared, it'll always factor to a plus b and a minus b. Always, always, always. So I have an expression here of 4x squared minus 9, and I need to factor this. Well, I'm going to look at these terms, and I'm going to say, is 4 a perfect square? Well, yeah, that's 2 times 2. X squared, well, that's a perfect square because that's x times x. And 9, well, that's a perfect square too. That's 3 times 3. So this is a great example of the difference of two squares. So we need to figure out what my a and my b is so I could actually factor this. To find my a and my b, all I need to do is I'm going to take my first term, that's going to be my a, and I'm going to take the square root of my first term. So when I look at this, I can say, all right, well, what's the square root of 4? Well, that's 2. What's the square root of x? And that's x. So my a is actually 2x. To find my b, I'm going to ignore the minus sign because the minus sign is the difference part of the two squares. It's the difference of two squares. So I'm going to just take this last term, 9. I'm going to take the square root of it, 9. What's the square root of 9? Well, that's just simply 3. So I have my a and I have my b, which is 2x and my 3. And all I have to do is fill it in. So I'm going to have 2x, there's my a, plus my b, which is 3, times, well, my a is 2x minus my b, and you're done. There's a difference of two squares. Easy peasy. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.